Morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, and it's August 11th. Hey, we just got a couple items here today. Tomorrow we'll have the retail sales, which could be a pretty big one. Kind of give us a gauge as to what consumers are doing and hopefully where the economy is moving. But today, however, we got the weekly jobless claims. So last week, we've been kind of hovering in this range, as you can see, in the 260 range. So last week we had 267,000 people apply for unemployment. Forecast is at 265,000. It came in between at 266,000. So basically within range here. So we've been, this comes down to, I think they said like 75 sessions now that we've been under 300,000, which is actually great news, obviously. So that we're having fewer and fewer people applying for unemployment or getting laid off type of thing. We also have the import price index, not a huge market move or anything, but it is something kind of worthwhile looking at. Back in June, we jumped up 0.6%, and a lot of that was because the dollar rose, and especially after the Brexit vote. A lot of money went into the dollar and strengthened quite a bit. July, it's subsided a little bit, but it still went up 0.1%. So they're kind of looking at this could hopefully maybe bring up inflation levels, since it's been kind of pretty stubborn at the 1.6 year over year. Hopefully get closer to that 2% level here. So anyways, the stock market is currently up. They're kind of getting earnings reports. There's some good, there's not a whole lot of news out there, so they did like obviously the weekly jobless claims. They also, retail sales came out, so that could give us a gauge as to what we're going to see tomorrow. So like Alibaba and a bunch of these retails came in with some decent numbers. And again, that could bring into some more positive news coming in tomorrow as well. Bond market, we're currently down. We had a nice little rally yesterday. We did settle up above the 10-day and 25-day moving average. Today we're hovering down below it. We're down not a lot, like 6 basis points. So it's not enough to really have a price change. So pricing will be about the same where we left off yesterday. Now, we could potentially get a little boost on this and maybe at least get back above the 10-day moving average. I wouldn't say go upwards, but at least get us back to maybe zero for the day. And because there's supposed to be a bond, the Fed will be buying, the New York Fed's going to be buying a bunch of bonds, about $2 billion worth of bonds today, which help create the demand and supply and demand and bring up the bond prices up a little bit and help us probably secure us up above the 10-day and 25-day moving average here. So hopefully they'll give us a little boost later on in the day here. All right, folks. So, but anyways, today's pricing is about the same where we left off yesterday. Again, tomorrow could be a different story with the retail sales, especially after some of the earnings reports that came out today that came in positive. The stock market could like it and obviously take off further, which would hurt interest rates most likely. All right, have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.